In this question, we are given that at a certain store, customers who buy two at the regular price for the first shirt and a discounted price for the second shirt. So if there are shirts S1 and S2, then the shirt S1 is sold at the marked price and the shirt S2 is sold at the marked price minus D, where D is the discount offered on the shirt 2. Now, the store makes the same profit from the sale of two shirts that it makes from the sale of one shirt at the regular price. So the total profit on one shirt will be equal to the total profit on two shirts. So basically what this statement implies is that one shirt has no profit or loss, which means that one shirt is being sold at the cost price. Now, we have to find for a customer who buys two shirts what is the discounted price of the second shirt. So since this shirt S1 is being sold at mark price, so obviously the second shirt S2, which is being sold at MP minus D, will be sold at the cost price. So here the total selling price is equal to MP plus MP minus D, which is equal to 2 times MP minus D. Now the profit on one shirt is equal to mark price minus cost price, and according to the equation we have in step 1, we can write the profit on one shirt, which is equal to MP minus CP minus the profit on the two shirts. Now the profit on the two shirts will be the total selling price, which is 2MP minus D minus the cost price of both the shirts. So that is equal to minus 2CP. This gives us D equals 2MP minus 2CP minus minus MP minus CP, which is equal to MP minus CP. This implies that D is equal to MP minus CP, and since we have to find the cost price, we can write it as CP equals to mark price minus discount. So to be able to find the cost price of the shirt, we need the information of mark price as well as the discount on the shirt. Now let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. So from statement 1, we are given that the regular price of each of the two shirts the customer buys at the clothing store is $16. This means that the mark price is $16. Now we don't know anything about the discount which is given on the second shirt, so it is not possible to calculate the value of CP. Hence statement 1 is not sufficient, and out of the given options we eliminate options A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. This statement 2 tells us that the cost to clothing of each of the two shirts the customer buys is $12. So here we are directly given the cost price of the two shirts. This means that the customer buys the second shirt at the cost price, which is equal to $12. So MP minus D is equal to $12. And from statement 2, we can thus answer the question, and so statement 2 is sufficient and the correct answer is option B.